This is a step-by-step guide to Amazon FBA. In the previous video, I showed you how you can create an account on Alibaba.com, and then in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create an Amazon central seller account and then start selling your product on Amazon. This is quite important, so if you are looking for something like that, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. So to create an Amazon account, we will go to Google search and search for Amazon central seller, and we will hit the enter button. From the search result, we are gonna come down and click on Amazon Seller Central. So let's click on this link. So it takes us to this page. Here we will click on the sign up button, and then after that we need to provide our name, email address, password, and once I do all of that, we will click on the next button. They will send us a one-time password which will be sent to our email. Go to my email address and copy this one-time password, come back here and paste it. After that, I'll click on this button. All right, welcome. Here is what to expect. So provide your information in documents. That's gonna be the first thing. They're gonna ask us about our information in document. The second one, we will verify your submission. So once we submit our information documents, they are gonna check them and they gonna verify them. After that, get verified and start selling. Once they verify our documents, we will be able to start selling. What you will need: so valid government issue ID or passport, recent bank account or credit card statement, chargeable credit card, and mobile phone number. I have all of them, so we will click on begin. Alright, so here business information. Here you need to select the country where you want your business. So I'll click on United Kingdom. After that, business type, select an entity type. So click on this drop down. Okay, here we have different state-owned business, publicly owned, but the one we want to come to the end, none. I am an individual, so we will choose that. Just come down here. We will provide our full name, middle name if you have one. If you don't have one, you can just leave it empty, and then your last name. After that, we will click on this box. Then we will come and click on agree and continue. Primary contact person information. So who is gonna be using this account? So it's gonna be myself. Most of the information already filled in. Country of citizenship, so I'll click on United Kingdom, and then country of birth, I was born in Afghanistan, so I'll select that, and then date of birth, choose the day, and then the month, and then the year. Identity proof, so what kind of document would you like to provide? Passport, national ID. I'll click on national ID, and then for the country I'm gonna choose United Kingdom. National ID number, so choose the date of expiry that's mentioned on your ID card, and then residential address. You need to provide your residential address in the United Kingdom. So whichever country you are living, you're gonna provide your residential address in here. So here I'll provide my phone number for verification. SMS verification language, I'll choose English, United States or United Kingdom, that's fine. So I'll click on that and then enter the PIN sent to you via SMS. So I'll check on my phone. I just got the SMS. So I'll put the one-time PIN in here. After that, click on verify. Now click on next. Now we are in the second section, which is billing. So payment information, credit card detail. Here we need to provide our credit card number, expires on, and then credit holder's name, and then down here billing address. I have already provided my address, so everything seems good. Then we will click on next. Now we go to the third part, which is store. So store and product information, that is quite important here. What's gonna be your store name? You can give it any name you want, but I'll give it as Zia Maliky. Do you have universal product code UPCS for all your products? Since we are new, we don't have any UPC yet, so I'll choose no. We are new, so we will click on no. All the information seems good to me, so I will click on next again. Now that's also out of the way. So now we are done with three parts. Now is the last part, which is the verification part. Identity and address verification, primary contact person information. So here we will check all the information: your name, date of birth, country of citizenship, identity data, residential address. Now here they're asking us for national ID document. So here we have to upload the front side and the back side of our national ID document. And then the last one is proof of address, for which we said bank account statement. One thing to remember, all these documents need to be in a PDF form. So once we upload them, we will click on next again. Identity verification. Please choose one of the available options to connect with an Amazon associate to complete your verification. Not all options might be available at your location. So now we need to schedule a video call with an Amazon associate. So we will click on next. So now we need to choose what day and time we want to have our video call with an Amazon associate. So here you need to choose a date and time. After that, I'll click on next. All right, so here once again, appointment time is August 26, 2022 at 11 a.m. British time. We want to take a screenshot of that and then save it on our computers or somewhere, so that we know we have an appointment for ID verification with Amazon. All right, so click on I acknowledge and then click on next. And that's it. Thank you for sharing your information. Here's my address, video call verification. So we need to wait. So you have a scheduled appointment on August 26, 2022 at 11 a.m. British time. Appointment will start in 5 days, 10 hours and 11 minutes and 56 seconds. And after that, we will be able to join the video call, and where we will verify our documents through an Amazon associate, and then we will be able to use our Amazon account and start selling on Amazon. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let me know if you have any questions. Till next video, it's goodbye.